Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, JDK 11 or newer, and a working Android Studio installation. Once you have those, download the Flutter SDK zip for your operating system and extract it to a simple path like /src/flutter or ~development/flutter. Then, make sure Android Studio's Android SDK and command line tools are installed. Finally, enable virtualization in BIOS if you plan to use emulators. This avoids emulator failures later. These immediate actions let you move into path configuration and tooling checks. Now configure the environment. Add the Flutter/bin folder to your system path, then close and reopen your terminal or command prompt so the change takes effect. Next, run Flutter Doctor. This tells you which dependencies are missing and why. Follow Flutter Doctor's prompts to install Android SDK components, accept Android licenses, and set Android Home or Android SDK root if needed. Make sure Android Studio has SDK platforms and an emulator image. Once done, Flutter Doctor should report fewer issues and guide you. Finally, open Android Studio and install the Flutter and Dart plugins from the Plugins pane. Restart Android Studio to activate them. Create a new Flutter project or open an existing one, select your emulator or connected device, then hit Run. If the build fails, check Run Console and then execute Flutter Doctor V in a terminal for verbose diagnostics. If you see license or SDK path errors, accept licenses with Flutter Doctor Android licenses and recheck your Android Home path. This single tip solves most final blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.